They're known for giant pumpkins, a crescent-shaped beach, and a salt box-shaped house. I'm John Bartell, and this is Half Moon Bay. 30 miles south of San Francisco on the San Mateo County coastline, this quaint little harbor town was once a Spanish settlement in the 1840s, but shortly after the gold rush, entrepreneur named James Johnston started a dairy ranch and built this oddly shaped house overlooking Half Moon Bay.
It's called a salt box. The original salt boxes in the colonial time were shaped this way.
Inside, you'll find relics from the Bay Area's past. Historian Mary Betancourt gives regular tours of the house.
The Brussels sprouts do very good, and artichokes do very good here.
Coastal fog is a prominent feature in these parts, and it's one of the key ingredients to growing one of Half Moon Bay's biggest and most celebrated crops.
It's a pumpkin festival, which has been on since about 1971.
Gourds, and more gourds. The Half Moon Bay Pumpkin Weigh-Offs attract competitive pumpkin growers from all over. Several Goliath Grand Champions and world record pumpkins have been weighed here. Historic downtown is filled with local artisan shops and restaurants with locally sourced food, all of which is within walking distance of the sandy beaches and picturesque ocean bluffs. And don't forget to check out the harbor. Spend some time at Miramar Beach, where surfing is always in season. And if you're up for a hike, head up the Santa Cruz Mountains and check out the redwoods. Half Moon Bay has it all. I'm John Bartell. Hope to see you on the Backroads.